Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a Craft With Me session. I am going to make a rotating advent calendar for my daughter Lil. Super excited to make this. The theme is 12 days of Christmas. So I've already cut out my circle top that I'm going to be using with cardboard base, and I'm going to adhere it to this large brad that I've attached to this old little cake top that I used last year, and I love the snowflake shape and the color, so I'm going to put this aside. This project is inspired by Tanu Creative here on YouTube. She has the most beautiful advent calendar tutorials and very fun videos to watch as well. So if you'd like to see that, I'll put it in the description box. Now, she made her boxes from scratch. I am going to be using some of my leftover gift boxes from last year. I also have some gift card holders, and I thought this would be great to reuse and use for the first time for some of the leftovers. So aside from that, I also have some scrapbooking paper that I have left over from some projects, and they have a Christmas theme, so I'm going to be using that to create some box sleeves so that they act like little drawers. Here's one that I made. And I did a little punch in the front with a circle punch so that she can pull it out easily. So you see that it slides out. And the idea is to stack up the boxes. So there's no specific measurement. Basically, I took the strip of paper like this one and wrapped it around the gift box. Just creating creases and just making it wrap tight across the box or around the box, and then I stick it with some adhesive. So I am going to speed up the video so that we can just go along and do the same process with the rest of the boxes, and then I'll show you how to put this together. So what are you guys doing for Thanksgiving? We are staying home. Unfortunately, we won't be able to see our family. We usually fly out to Austin, Texas to visit family for Thanksgiving. This year, everything's going to be done virtually. We are preparing a small little Thanksgiving feast. There is so much to be thankful for. My youngest daughter, Emmy, already helped me prepare some creamy mashed potato. My daughter, Lil's going to be making some cornbread. We are also making some potato stack and some Brussels sprouts with bacon. My husband likes that stuff. And we are probably going to do a few more sides like cranberry sauce, and not sure yet if we will add green beans. What about you guys? Comment below and let me know what you're preparing for your Thanksgiving feast. I also went ahead and bought a couple pies. My kids love apple pie. My husband and I love that as well, and got some pumpkin pie and some whipped cream. I might make some cheesecake, not sure yet. But here we've already stacked 4 boxes, and so now I'm working with our smaller ones. I'm just trying to decide which ones are going to go on top next. So I think this is a super fun and easy project to make, especially if you have some scrap paper that you've had from previous projects, and the boxes are reusable. I didn't want to stack them and stick them on top of each other because I would like to use them again for the following year. And it's fun to pull them out like little drawers. So I have this little box that can hold a gift card, and I've just attached it there. Now we have these adorable llama boxes. I'm going to do the same process and wrap them around with some scrapbooking paper. And I bought a few items for my older daughter, Lil. If you've seen my recent haul, I think it was in my collective haul from either Ross and Marshall's, and I'd shown some cute little socks that I got her. So I'm going to be adding a bunch of items. It's a little bit harder to find teen themed advent calendars just because her interest is so broad. So I thought I'd customize this and put all her favorite things in 12 different boxes. So it'll be fun. I love advent calendars. It's just so great to open little surprises. In the past, instead of gifts, we've also just left notes for each other, and that was really fun. The kids have left like little handmade items that they made for us. So that was super cool. So now we're coming to the end of stacking up our boxes. We are going to move on to the next step. So I'm going to push these boxes aside, and I'm going to get our little cake top here, snowflake, and tape down our our brad on the back there. And I'm going to attach that cardboard piece on top. Now it's a matter of placement. I'm just trying to decide how I want to see these boxes and if they're going to look accessible and if they aesthetically look good as well. So in terms of just the sizing and scaling here of the boxes, I decided to put the snowflake on top. And I'm just using a pencil just to mark the area where I'm going to place all these boxes on. So it just makes it a little bit easier so I don't have to guess. And now we're laying down some double-sided tape. And then we're going to just attach these on top. And I've mentioned this before, I love the Daiso double-sided tape. It's really sturdy and they come in quite, it's a lot. It's a lot for $1.50 and you get a lot of double-sided tape. So I have to stack up. I'm thinking of possibly doing a video of my favorite crafty things for 2020. I'm still contemplating. I've done it, I think, the last 2 years. So let me know if you'd like to see a video on that, but we'll see. So here I am, just placing our boxes and just making sure that they're aligned and not sticking to the box that's in the sleeve. Otherwise, she won't be able to pull it out. So I'm just being careful, making sure that they are sliding out. And also making sure that the rotating mechanism works on our little stand here. So I'm going to slip that skinny box there. And I got that from a little subscription box for books, I think. And on top we have our snowflake gift card holder. I'm just gonna adhere it on top to complete that look. I'm gonna add a few more little items on the side. So that is in place and it is rotating. So I have this little gift card box from Amazon, again from last year, and I'm gonna put it on the side. My daughter Lil loves to shop on Amazon, and there's so many different items that you can get. So putting it on the side there, and we are going to just stick it on there. Love that it spins. And now I have these cut aparts that I got from a paper pad, and I'll add that in just a sec. First, I'm putting a little belly band here that can hold one of these gift card holders that I'm going to just slip in there. And now I'm going to put the numbers. So here is a look at our rotating advent calendar. I've already attached the numbers from that cut apart. Super cute. I think my daughter Lil will have fun opening these drawers and seeing these. We have that gift card holder there, and then I just added little paper clips from my friend Sandra that she gave me a few Christmases ago to embellish it. Here's another look from up top of our rotating advent calendar, 12 days of Christmas. So I'm excited to fill it out with some goodies. Here are some of the pull-out gift boxes using those paper sleeves. I'd like to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. Make sure to stay tuned. I will be back with some new hauls, some more crafting, craft with me sessions. So stay tuned. I'll see you again next time. Bye.